Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to install Kali Linux on your computer. So the first thing we're gonna do is search kali.org in our computer. So I'll just go ahead and type that in. And once you're here, click on download. And what you want to do is click on the installer images. And you want to make sure that you select the version that your computer is. So in my case, it's 64-bit, so I'll go ahead and select that. And the next thing you want to install is Visual C++ 2019 download. And then in here as well, you want to download the 64-bit version because that's what my computer is. And once you have installed it, just let it run in the background. And the last thing you want to install is VirtualBox. And you want to make sure you click on Windows host and let it download in the background. So once you have it installed, since I already have it installed on my computer, I'll go ahead and open it. So once you have it opened, click on New. And here what you want to do is you want to name it Linux. And it will automatically change the settings. And in here, in select version, you want to make sure that it's Debian 64-bit because that's our computer. And then once you have selected, click on next. And so the base memory, you can select it as much as you want. So this is your RAM. But for me, I can set it, I can put it at any level I want, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it to 4 GB. And this really doesn't matter. It's up to you guys how much RAM you want to give it. The more you give it, obviously, the better, the smoother it will run. And now the virtual hard disk, so you can give it as much as you want, but this is your storage that you're gonna give your virtual machine. So I'll give mine around 50 GB. But this is again up to you guys how much you guys want to give it. And then you want to just click on finish, give it some time, and it's gonna load. And then what you want to do is click on start. And once you click on start, just give it some time to load. So the next step is we want to import the Kali Linux file that we downloaded and import it to our Linux server. So you want to click on other and just find the file where you had it installed. So mine was in downloads. And now here what you want to do is select Graphical install and just press enter. And then you can select the language that you want. For me, I'm just gonna go ahead and select English. And here you can select your host name. For me, I'm just gonna leave it as default as Kali, but you guys can again give it any name you want, and leave the domain name empty. And full name, I'm gonna just put in Kali as well. And for my username, I'll just use Kali as well. And you can put in your password, but make sure you guys remember these because we'll be needing them in later on once we have it installed. Just click on continue and make sure you select yes in this step, okay? So this installation can take around 30 minutes, so please don't click anything or press any keys. Just let it run. Just click continue. So here a black screen will come, just click on yes. And then what you want to do is select the second option of hard disk, and then GURP loader will start installing. Again, this will take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your computer. So please don't press any keys in the process. And then once the installation is complete, click on continue. And now that Linux is installed, you just will have to put in your username and password that you guys set earlier. Remember, I told you guys to remember it, so please just input those. So now I'll just put in my username, Kali, and my password. And now my Linux is installed. So guys, this is the easiest way to install Kali Linux. So don't try to install it through the boot table because it's a longer process. And as always, if you guys enjoyed my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in installing Kali Linux. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.